everyone, here's a quick guide how you can manage your API versions in Theneo. So I'm going to go to one of the projects. I have here API versioning demo, but I haven't actually created other versions. I have first my V1 version as a default. I just recently created this project. We can have a quick look how that looks like. So as you can see, there is no versioning dropdown or anything going on here. So let's say I have a new version. I'm going to go to API versioning here and I'm going to add that new version. So let's call this V2. What I can do is that I can use the previous version as the reference, or I can import completely new spec. So to make it easier, I'm just going to use V1 as a reference and I'm going to make some changes to that as well. And I'm going to say that V1 is recommended, V2 is better. Obviously, I can change that as well. Can also change the slugs and names, so you have full control of both name and slug, as well as which one should be default and what statuses you should assign to them. So for each one of those versions, not only you have version control when it comes to content, but also for the entire project management. So if I go to V2, first, actually, let's go ahead and make some changes to it. So you will see that when we go to editor, we also have a drop down here as well. So I can switch between versions as well. So great, let me go here and make some changes. So I'm gonna make a couple updates here. I'm going to add new parameters, remove some endpoints, etc. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make changes now. I'm gonna publish this. And you will see now that in the published version as well, now I have a drop down here for my versions. So I can go back to the V1, the recommended one as a user, or to V2, the beta version that I have here. This applies to all the pages that are exposed to your customers. So let's go back to your settings. Like I mentioned, you have full control for each one of those versions when it comes to analytics, when it comes to settings, if you want to disable some of the features for V2, or you want to change menu, let's add a new menu, let's say V2 dashboard. I don't know, I'm gonna add some random URL here. Now, when we go to V2, we will also see V2 dashboard that is not present in the V1. I can change the access management as well. Maybe I have different access management for V1 versus in V2. Maybe it's also additional customer specific content that only very specific people should see it. You'll have full control of all of that as well. The same goes for SEO management and public changelog that we support. If you have any questions or feedback, do let us know. Thank you.